Okay,
There's a disconnect there, but okay. All right, so somehow it was just like a dream
it
that
was a
has
dream
been
for me to
waiting.
handle. It's a dream for me to handle a training company. It's more of a training thing. I want to train.
All right.
Okay. Actors. I want to train actors, singers, performers, hosts, or anybody. Kung sinong pwede yun, production assistant, lahat ng pwedeng trabaho. Makeup artist, I can train. Kasi lahat yun, inaral ko, na pwede kong i-share. At yung pagtuturo sa akin gives me so much energy. Na pagkatapos nung magturo, inihiga ko na lang yung bangkay ko. Okay. So, yun yun. It's the dream of me teaching. Teaching. Not really yung earning.
Right.
Ako actually earning, yung earnings, darating eh.
Okay.
Pero pag nagturo ka, you share something of yourself and you see them grow. Yun lang naman yun sa akin.
The showbiz industry in general, what are your points and what are your takes? What are your observations? When we come back, ladies and gentlemen, Neil Tolentino will answer those questions. Text us or call us and we'll ask your questions. I'll be back with this week's Top 8. What are the things that you must know in franchising a business? Stay tuned. And we are back, ladies and gentlemen, with this week's Top 8. What are the things that you must know in franchising a business? That's the acting part, no? But
Yeah. Look it.
Yeah. Number one, I have to train. No, really. Know yourself. Check if you have a predisposition in business and if franchising is the way to go. Hindi po lahat na nagka-franchise ng negosyo ay nagtatagumpay. Marami rin pong nag-invest sa franchising, gumawa ng isang franchise company, and then nalugi din lang at hindi kumita. So that's number one. Number two, type of franchising. Yung bang tipo ng ipa-franchise ninyong negosyo ay para po ba sa inyo yan? Number three, who is the owner of the franchise? Kailangan nyo pong bigyan ng panahon, pag-aralan nyo kung sino yung may-ari ng franchise. Baka mamaya, may mga hindi naman sa sinisiraan na natin, pero baka mamaya, may mga negatibong na komento na dyan sa owner ng franchise. So, makakasama din sa inyo. Remember, yung credibility ng isang franchisor is something that has to be verified by you. No? So, you have to ask around. Number four, yung target market, di ba? Baka naman magtayo ka ng isang negosyo na basically wala rin sa target market mo. So, dapat importante na pag-aralan mo rin ano ba yung lugar, ano ba yung market na tina-target mo. Number five, strategic business location. Okay? Sabi nga nila, location is very important in doing a franchise business. Lalo na kapag ka-food cart. No? Mga food carts around 250,000, 350,000 bago ka makapagtayo. No? Pero kailangan mo pa rin na magkaroon ng magandang lokasyon. Number 6 is capital. Ano lang ba yung kaya ng pera mo? Now remember, kapag ka mag-franchise ka, kailangan meron kang mahaba-habang PC. No? Kumbaga, expect mo, okay, this goes to number 7, expect mo na yung expected return on investment mo ay it takes time. Sometimes 6 months, sometimes 1 year, sometimes 2 years. Yung mga gasolina pag nag-franchise ka, probably 5 years bago bumalik ang investment mo. So, dapat meron kang pantustos. Hindi pa pwedeng itaya mo na lahat kasi baka mamaya, dun sa gitna ng medyo nagkukulang ka na, hindi pa bumabalik yung investment mo, eh wala ka ng pangtustos, pantuloy. So, magkakaproblema ka rin. Final number 8, franchise regulations to follow. Kailangan mong pag-aralan ano-ano ba yung mga regulasyon na dapat mong sundin. So, you have organizations that can help you out. Nandiyan ang Association of Filipino Franchisers Incorporated or AFI, nandiyan din ang Philippine Franchise Association. So, pwede kayo magpunta sa mga ganong klaseng organization and just to ask. Huwag kayong basta-basta magsabi, oh, 350 pesos, franchise, maganda na yung brand, itatayo mo na lang, bilhin mo na lang, kasi hindi lang yun yung lahat na kailangan mo malaman. You'll have to really ask a lot of questions. Now, let's go back. Neil Tolentino, the dubber, the actor, the writer, the translator, and now the trainer, the teacher, the manager, and the owner of his own company. Showbiz industry in general, how would you rate it, the performance of the industry? Say 1 to 10. 10 is the highest.
4.
4.
Well, that's how I see the showbiz industry. Yeah. But in terms of actors' capacity to be actors or to be good in
Yep,
their
kasi
craft?
off air, we are talking about the quality of actors
Yeah.
that we have right
Now,
now.
they focus on face value.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, they look good. They look good. They're all Christmas actors. They're all ham. Parang, sayang. Maganda ka, do something about it. Why don't you train your actors? If you have equipped actors, na ginagawa namin sa kumpanya, madali silang ibenta. Kasi mahusay eh. Eto, maganda ang mukha. Pero parang, pag-isipan nyo naman, can't you not train your actors?
Right.
You're giving us shows that are not good. The writers, ang writers ng mga shows, parang kulang sa research. Hindi nila pag-aaralan yung mga material na ipine-present nila. So may problema tayo sa, maliban sa problema sa mga artista. Artista, hindi naman talaga tunay na artista.
Okay.
Mga istoryang paulit-ulit na lang, lahat ng palabas merong namamatay na tao. Okay, normal naman yun, dahil yung buhay, okay? Lahat na lang ng programa, na soap opera, may nawawalang bata, o may hindi nakagisna ng magulang, o inampon, o inape, puro gano'n na lang. Walang, pare-pareho ang palabas. Naging formula na. Siguro, dahil lagi na pinapresent sa public natin, yung public natin, hindi rin natin natuturuan na mag-appreciate ng mas magagandang klaseng materyales, mas magandang kwento, mas magagandang palabas. So, bakit nag-rate ang mga Korean novelas? The story is tight. The actors are good. The direction is flawless. So, Koreano yun. Koreano pa sila. Bakit nakagawa sila ng isang programa ganun kasiksik, liglig at umaapaw? Because they can decide on that. In the Philippines, the directors don't have the free hand. Why? They are producers. We have networks. Sa network na yan, may alagang mga tao, may mga alagang artista, and they will tell, dapat kasama dyan dito kasi yung isang artista A, dahil wala siyang ginagawa. So, the director, paano po? Ito po yung cast natin. Now, you tell your writers to write or to create a new character. So, yung plot, may subplot, at yung subplot, may subplot pa. So, yung may promise na premise, hindi natutupad. They start beautifully, maganda ng pilot, but along the way, nagkakalat na.
So, how important or not important or influential the politics in show business is?
Okay. Is important good or is it bad?
Okay. Probably that should be my question.
I want to ask, so I'll answer it that way.
Right.
Kasi, for me, politics is good if it's done because it's like me selling my talent because my talent is good.
That's politics, right?
Yes.
That's a
still
kind of
yeah,
politics.
it's a kind of politics.
But if I am the network owner and I tell you to accommodate my talent,
Yes.
because she's,
That's kind of bad. Bad for the industry. It's bad for your programs too. Especially if the actors you're giving is that good. Ay, wag na lang.
gone are the days where you only have 3 people in mind when it comes to acting: Nora Honor, Vilma Santos, and Sharon Cuneta. You can remember these 3 people. Now it seems like it's parang masyado na naging masa. Everybody's an artist. Everybody holds the microphone. You have a lunchtime show, and then everybody is on stage.
Parang ano lang sila, parang yung kalendarya. Yung ayan, mamili po kayo. Palengke. Palengke ba o mas baratilyo, mas tiyangge? Yung ganun yung dating ng mga artista. Wala nag-excel. Wala nagmamarka. Very few young actors, very few actors stay.
Let's take it from there. I'm going to give a particular scene, and I would like you to give me a particular name, okay, that you actually can recall if there is a scene like this. Drama.
Drama. What? I'm gonna
Drama. Who is that person in mind? Drama.
Nora Honor. Nora Honor. Jacqueline Jose, Gina Alahar,
Okay.
Vilma Santos. So,
Right. Okay. You have comedy.
Dolphy, Panchito, Chiquito, Yun yung natatandaan ko.